Hello, I've got in front of me this camper van from Robeta Opel Movano. It's got a lounge in the back. This is called the Apollo. It'll cost 115,000 euros. I'll give you a quick overview of it. So, Robeta, very high quality camper vans. I try to put everything in them, and the quality is a reflection, I think, of the price tag. We've got 2 burners here and a sink. We've got storage units under that, which I shall demonstrate for you right now. And down here, there's your toilet, shower, washroom with a sensible sliding door. We've got a display cabinet here for glasses. We've got an isotherm 2-way fridge down here, which I shall open. There you go. Novel fridge. There's storage here and here. And right now, you saw there was a tent in the roof. You also make this rear lounge into a bed if you want to, but it's a very large, this is the largest rear lounge or longest rear lounge in a camper van that I actually know of. So it's got this lounge at the back, and of course it's got the semi dinette at the front. You might think, well, what's the point of that? Well, I would say if there's possibly somebody might want it that way. Let's come once more to the front. You can sleep in the tent, of course. You can't sleep here. It's a really large table as well, so if there's 2 of you needing a lot of work to be done, then this might be suitable. Let's come to the back and have a look at that from there. So, Robeta Apollo, toilet on the store, awning, tent in the roof. This is what it looks like from the rear. So you've got storage under there. Here you'll find deep drawer and large area there to sit in at the back. So coming around here, it's a very quick overview. As you can see, I'm at Caravan Salon, and people are sort of tidying things up and they're about to go. In fact, this event hasn't closed yet. You can see how many people are here. They're all clearing off. However, I'm not clearing off. I'm still here and I'm still filming. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. I've done some Robeta models in far more detail, and so I hope if you're interested, then you can actually watch it on this channel. All the best from me in Germany. Bye for now.